I got a moving cell lawnmower here. This is a Troy Bilt 21 inch. It's got a rib bag, mulch, and side discharge. It's a 675 series with a 6.75 gross torque Briggs Stratton engine on it. It's in really good condition, just needs cleaning up. It's got the adjustable wheels on it, which are kind of frozen. We'll have to put some lubricating oil on that WD-40 to get those adjusters to work. Has some gas in it. We couldn't get this to keep running when I picked this up one night this week. It was just very cold, temperature wise. Hopefully that's the problem with it. One thing is that I noticed it is very full of oil, overfilled. It needs to be changed. This is one of the newer ones because it also has the auto choke. There's no primer bulb on it, feature on it. Crankshaft is straight. The blade has some nicks in it. I'll have to take the blade off and sharpen that and balance that. While I've got the blade off, I'll go ahead and drain the oil out too, because the oil plug is right there. Always like these little red in color Troy Bilt push mowers. Very simple to work on. So let's see if we can give this a start. Check the air filter out. Certainly the original, and doesn't look that bad. Just needs to be cleaned. And here's the model number on this Troy Bilt lawnmower. And the bag is in really good condition as well. See any holes in it. And here is the serial number of the engine on here. So let's give this Troy Bilt a start here. See if it stays running. And it won't. Try again here. Alright, we're going to have to take a look at a few things here. It's doing the same thing as it did the other night. So I'm thinking the auto choke is not working on this lawnmower. It's just not staying running. So I'm going to take this cover off and take a look at the linkage here. Well, I believe we have oil in the carburetor. After taking this air cleaner off and looking at this linkage, which moves, the butterfly is closed as you can see. There's nothing wrong with that. I think this thing is just overfilled with oil. You can see in there that the butterfly is closed if you can. But we got oil draining out of here, which is not good. See if we can drain some of this oil out and get some carburetor cleaner in here and see if we can keep this running. Well, it probably had twice the amount of oil in it as it should, so I dumped that out and now it's about where it should be. And before I put this cover back on, I cleaned out all the debris of this linkage and put a little bit of oil in here as well, make sure everything is moving. Clean lawnmower is a happy lawnmower. So let's give this a start again. I cleaned out that carburetor a bit with that oil. We may have to keep trying to start this to get this oil to pass through. Alright, take two. Let's see if we can get this to keep running this time. There we go. let it run some and it'll be okay. So I let this run quite a while and it's still got a slight skip in it. So I did a quick spark plug swap. That didn't do any good. So I think we either got some contaminated fuel with that oil in there, or the linkage just still needs to be cleaned, and or the carburetor with all that oil that I saw in there. But it does start much easier now, but it's still got a miss. So we'll keep working on this Troy Bilt.